When you multiply complex numbers, that's going to be a little more involved than adding and subtracting. It's still very manageable. It's just there's just a little more going on. Big orange 6. 6 plus 2i times 5 minus I. And usually it's just going to be two parentheses butted together. There's not going to be a dot or anything in between. Okay? So what we're going to have to do here is distribute, or the word is FOIL that some of you have used in the past. Okay, so we're going to have to distribute, just like we did a couple sections ago when we were finding an equation given the roots. So distribute the 6, 30. Distribute the 6, minus 6i. Distribute the 2, 10i. And distribute the negative, or the 2 again, negative 2i squared. Which, before this chapter, once we combine our terms in the middle, we would be done at that point. But now we know that I squared is equal to negative 1. So what we can do is replace the I squared with negative 1. And so minus 2i squared becomes plus 2. And that can then be added to the 30. So the final answer is 32 plus 4i. Remember, you should never have any i's to a power ever in a final answer, because they can always be broken down using the I1 chart that we talked about yesterday. So that's what's involved in multiplying complex numbers. Go through another one. 7 plus 3i times 4 minus 6i. Distributing the 7, you get 28 minus 42i. Distributing the 3i, I get 12i minus 18i squared. In the middle, those two combine to make negative 30i. I squared at the end there can be turned into negative 1, which turns the last term into a positive 18. So you can combine the 28 and the 18 into, 46 minus 30i.